In this video, you are going to see how to uninstall games and the Steam application on a MacBook. First, let's see how to uninstall the games. The first thing you need to do is, of course, you need to open the Steam application. After that, go to the library section on the top. Here, you will see the list of games installed on your system. Next, click on the game that you want to uninstall. In my case, I'm selecting Euro Truck Simulator 2. Then this page will open. On the right side, you will see the gear icon. I'm so sorry guys, the screen recording is not working properly. If you click on the gear icon, you will see these options. Click on Manage, then choose Uninstall. A pop-up will appear like this. Here again, choose Uninstall. That's it. Now the game is going to be uninstalled. Next, coming to uninstalling the Steam application itself, follow these steps. Click on the Apple logo at the top, then choose System Settings. This tab will open. Here, select the application option by clicking on the info section on the right side. Next, it will show the list of applications installed on your MacBook. Scroll down and look for the Steam app, then select it and click on delete option at the bottom right side. That's it. Now you have successfully uninstalled the game from the Steam application and also removed the Steam app from your MacBook. Don't forget to like this video to help it reach more people and support others by sharing this useful tip with them. Also, subscribe to the channel for more tips and tech reviews.